Once upon a time, in a small, peaceful village, there lived an old man. He was not rich. He didn't have land or money. But he had a beautiful white horse. Everyone in the village admired the horse. Many rich people offered to buy it. But the old man always refused. He would say, "This horse is not for sale. He is not just a horse to me. He is my friend, my family." The villagers thought the old man was foolish. "You can sell this horse and live a comfortable life," they said. But the old man smiled and replied, "Money can buy many things, but not peace. I'm happy the way I am." Then, one morning, something shocking happened. The white horse was gone. Hearing the news, the villagers came running. "Your horse is gone. This is such bad luck. You should have sold it when you had the chance." The old man quietly said, "Maybe it's bad. Maybe it's not. Who knows?" The villagers didn't agree, thinking the old man was just trying to hide his sadness. 3 days passed. Then, suddenly, the horse came back. And not alone, it brought with it 3 wild horses from the mountains. Now the villagers were shocked. "You're so lucky. You lost 1 and got 4. This is a miracle." But again, the old man said, "Maybe it's good. Maybe it's not. Life has a way of balancing things. We must wait to see what it brings next." The villagers were confused. But the old man didn't change. He remained peaceful. Now his son, a young, strong boy, started training the wild horses. He wanted to help his father and make the horses useful. But one day, while riding a wild horse, the boy fell badly. He broke his leg. The injury was serious. The villagers came again. "What bad luck! First the horse ran away, then came back, and now your only son is injured." The old man quietly said, "Sometimes the path to something good is full of pain. We don't always see the bigger picture." The villagers shook their heads. They didn't understand how he could stay so calm. A few weeks later, something terrible happened in the kingdom. War had begun. The king's soldiers came to the village and ordered all young men to join the army. Every healthy young man was taken, except one. The old man's son was left behind because of his broken leg. Now the villagers were speechless. They said, "You were right. Your son's broken leg saved his life. All our sons are now in danger." The old man gently said, "Life is always moving between good and bad, joy and pain. But everything happens for a reason. We just don't see it at first." Moral of the story: in life, things don't always go the way we want. Sometimes we lose something and feel broken. Sometimes blessings come in the form of problems. But the truth is, life is much bigger than one moment. The old man in this story didn't react with anger or sadness. He chose to stay calm, to wait, and to trust the journey. And in the end, everything made sense. That's the message: don't judge situations too quickly. What looks like a curse may become a blessing. What hurts you today may protect you tomorrow. So keep faith, stay strong, and always remember: everything happens for a reason.